Hello guys, in this tutorial we will discuss about the importance of break statement, and then we will move on the eclipse and we will do the program using the break. So we start with the use of break statement. It is used to come out of the loop instantly. For example, if you are driving bike, car, then what happen, you use the brake for stopping your car, or you can say vehicle. So the same concept of brake is there in the programming. So we directly see the program. You can assume here this is the for loop which is starting from 0 to 10, or suppose your vehicle is running from 0 kilometer to 10 kilometer, but in between you have to use brake. Okay, if you want to stop, or if you want to decrease, or if you want to reduce the speed of your vehicle, then we use the brake. So same case for the for loop. If you want to stop in between or while running the for loop, you want to stop suddenly, then you use the break statement. Suppose here the for loop is starting 0 to 10. So here what happen, in particular case, if the value of I is 4, then I want to break the loop. Means that control, once the break is executed, the control will go out of the for loop. So here the execution of the program, output of the program will be like that. So if the I value is 0 and then it is true, because the I is 0, so it will be true. So what happened here, the initial value is 0, 0 double equals to 0, it is false. It is false means it will execute the value of I, that is 0. Then again it will check value after incrementation 1 less than 10. So condition false, so here it will print the value 1. Then next value 2, again 2 not equal to 4, it will print the value 2. Then next value 3, again the condition is true, but here it is false because 3 not equals to 4. So it will print the value 3. Once the value is 4, here the condition is true, and it will run the break statement, then immediately the loop will stop. So that's why here the coming output is not coming like 4, 5, 6 up to 10. We are getting the output only 3. You can also use the same break statement. The structure will be same in the other loop also, like while and do while. It will work exactly same. So here also you are getting the same kind of output. Here I is 0. Again you get the value 0, then 1, 2, 3. Once the value is 4, it will come out of the while loop. And here also exactly same do while loop. Here it is starting from 0, so we are getting the same output once the value is 4. Then what happened, break is executed, and then we will come out from the do while loop. So in this way you can use the switch statement in the looping case, and then you can also use in the switch statement. In switch statement it is compulsorily needed. So here in the number, suppose the value is 1, then it will run this case and you get the output case 1. Then after case 1, in most of the cases we don't want to run case 2. So because of that break statement, it will exit the switch statement. So once that break is executed, you will come out of the switch statement. And suppose you don't use the break statement, okay, suppose you don't have break, then what happen, after case 1 it will run case 2. So you are getting case 1 and case 2 output, but because of the break statement, only one particular case will run. Okay, so that the reason in switch statement, after every case at the end of the body we use the break statement. So in switch the break statement is very important. Now we will go on the eclipse, and there we will take one sample program using the break statement. So here I already opened the eclipse, friend, and I already done the program because I already explained each and everything in the presentation. So our output that you are already knowing. So here I am running the program, and you can observe here we are getting 0, 1, 2, 3. We are not getting 4 onwards because here our value is exactly equals to 4. Suppose I am writing exactly equal to 8, then we are getting the output from 0 to 7, and then from 8 onwards we will not get the output. So we check the output now. Now you can observe our last value 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so in this way you can use the break statement, and whatever the condition you write here, according to that your loop will work out. and if you remove this break statement, then you will not be able to come out of the loop. So break statement is used to stop your loop in particular case. So whenever we have this break statement, friend, we use the condition using if statement. So that is the importance of break statement. So I hope, friend, you understood the tutorial and you should practice for your better understanding. Thank you.